marketing. So let's understand the marketing funnel. Now, this is very interesting part, the understanding the funnel. Now, understanding funnel takes a lot of time. And therefore, I actually always tell students that just read articles on marketing funnel. Why? Because marketing funnel is the core thing, heart of digital marketing. And many people actually we listen to the sessions, but we really don't understand exactly what is marketing funnel, how we can set our marketing funnel. Now, just let me give you the example. Suppose I want to sell one product. Like suppose I have one program of Skill India, and Skill India told me that, ma'am, you need to certify around 1,000 students within a span of 30 days. Now, that is a big challenge for me, that how I will sell. So for selling 1,000 courses, 1,000 to the 1,000 students, I have to work with around 50,000 students. Then only I can generate 1,000 sales. Do you know this fact? So like that marketing funnel, so the exactly conversion ratio. So from where I need to start. Now I have the deadline of the 30 days. So 30 days, I need to plan and I need to basically create the awareness campaign. I need a team who can visit door to door and create the awareness. Skill India has initiated this program. Kindly take the benefit of it. Not only that, that is the first layer. So they will reach to 50,000 people. Then some will listen out of it and they will just walk inside the institute to understand what it exactly is. So from 50,000, only 20,000 people will walk in. From 20,000 people, we created awareness, we did the counseling, all the stuff we did, still all will not believe. That is a normal customer behavioral aspect. So sales is not so easy, guys. So you need to work so much and you must work smartly by using these digital techniques. So as they visit the institute, some awareness has happened. Out of 25, or some people are ready to come for the workshop so that they will get better understanding of that particular curriculum. So from 20,000, only 5,000 people committed for, or from 20,000, only 10,000 people have committed for the workshops. From those 10,000, only 6,000 has attended the workshop. And then when we do the follow-up, then our conversion will happen. Still, we got only 500 conversion. Are you getting my point? How much complex it is to understand the marketing funnel or to set the marketing funnel? So to sell and within the deadlines, you need to set the strategy. Like the upper layer is very vast. You need to reach number of audience initially. Then some audience will come at next level. Then again from that level, they will move further to the next level. So there can be 3 phases, 4 phases, 5 phases, 10 phases of marketing funnel depending on your product. Have you got my point, students? Have you got my point? All are hearing to me? Yes. Yes. So that is very, very important. So don't think that selling is very easy task and we have the good product and immediately we can sell. It won't happen. It won't happen. So you have to think about this marketing funnel very, very clearly. Crystal clear you should, idea you should have, and then only you can set good marketing funnels. So funnels help us to track the journey of the customers when buying the product. So these are the phases. So with the example you have understood, and therefore we need to think about customer, that who is going to purchase, who will come for my to purchase my product, and therefore you need to work on creating marketing strategies. You created one strategy but you haven't got any result, immediately you need to plan different strategy. to gain the customer, because that is not working with the behavioral aspect of that particular customer. So it is a continuous process to set up the marketing strategy. Now, how the marketing funnel works. Now, here is the best diagram where you will understand. Already I had given you the example. Now just we will match that example in this triangle. So the first stage was the awareness. We created the awareness among the people. There is one scheme under which around 1,000 people are needs to be trained, and you can become this, you can become a part of this initiative and participate. So that is the awareness stage. Then what happens? Yes, some people feel interested. Out of 50,000, we did the awareness among 50,000 people. Some people felt interest in that, and therefore they came to the second phase. Now their interest has increased. Yes, 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 I can do that. Let me check. And that is the interest test. And that when they became interested, they came to the institution. They understood the program, and then they became ready for the joining the seminar. That is their intent. That is their intent. They have the intent to listen to the seminar and take further information. After listening to seminar session, they decided that yes, I must do this. This will help me in my career. So there they considered that product. Then still they are evaluating. So whether this is the right product for me, whether this is the best institute, or they are faking, or I should go to some another institute. So they start doing the evaluation. And from evaluation, they come to the no. Ma'am has did lot of things and she has explained well in seminar. No. Let's join here only and grab this opportunity. And then finally they come to the purchase state. So this is the marketing funnel and how it works. And then after delivering, like yours is the workshop, once I deliver all the contents, even if it is overview, always I deliver over. I always deliver more contents because I want to add value to people, and that there comes the loyalty. So people will feel, yes, that Sureka ma'am, now that she's telling right way, and whatever she has taught, it is helping me. And slowly and steadily, I will just keep on doing the activities with them, and therefore it will build loyalty. It will build faith that yes, this is the right way for me, and therefore my customers will be retained for lifelong, because they know when we go to this person, when we purchase from this company, actually all my needs get satisfied with best quality. And that is all about marketing funnel. Have you understood this triangle now very, very clearly? Because this is the important aspect. In digital marketing campaigns, we are going to use these marketing funnels only. Those who have clarity about marketing funnels, they only can set the digital strategy. Digital marketing are just the tools, but in backend we need to actually gather the information of this marketing funnel, and we must need to set best marketing funnels to sell the products. Is that clear? Have you understood this funnel very well?